Enthusiasts prize switch type, build quality, layout, and long-term value when choosing a board. This guide evaluates those exact criteria: switch feel and longevity, chassis materials and assembly, key layout and ergonomics, and overall cost to performance, so you can pick a reliable keyboard that fits your workflow and playstyle.
List number 1. Garvey 36-inch black steel truck bed toolbox. In-depth review. The Garvey 36-inch black steel truck bed toolbox is aimed at truck owners who want a balance of ruggedness and clean looks. Built from heavy-gauge steel and finished in a baked-on black powder coat, this box resists scratches and corrosion while presenting a low-profile, factory-installed appearance. The 36-inch length is a practical middle ground, large enough to carry a full set of tools and job site gear, yet compact enough to mount across most full-size and mid-size pickup beds without dominating cargo space. Inside, the Garvey offers a single large compartment with a shallow, removable tray, a simple layout that prioritizes volume over organization. The lid uses a piano hinge for continuous support and a recessed T-handle lock to keep the profile flush and theft-resistant. Sealing is handled by a continuous rubber gasket that sheds water toward the bed rather than into the trough, a detail that keeps stored tools dry in heavy rain. Installation is straightforward. Bolt-on through bed mounting with pre-drilled holes speeds setup, and the hardware is robust enough for routine off-road vibrations. List number 2. Northern Tools Slim Low-Profile Crossover Truck Tool. The Northern Tools Slim Low-Profile Crossover is a targeted solution for drivers who want toolbox security without losing rear visibility or cargo access. Its slim crossover design sits low across the bed and behind the cab window, minimizing interference with rear glass and maximizing usable bed volume. Constructed from aluminum or thin-gauge steel options depending on model, it trades some brute durability for reduced weight and easier installation. A useful compromise if you frequently remove the box or value fuel efficiency. This crossover prioritizes practical access and an organized interior. Dual lids provide separate storage bays that keep frequently used tools within arm's reach. The box typically includes molded channels for weather sealing and a recessed lock system to deter casual theft. Mounting is via cross-bed bolts or clamps. The slim footprint makes it compatible with many tonneau covers and bed liners. The internal layout often has removable trays or partition options, helpful for mechanics who carry mixed tool sizes and small parts. Performance-wise, the Northern Tools Slim is a smart choice for contractors, landscapers, and weekend warriors who want secure, quick-access storage without the bulk of a full-height chest. The trade-offs are clear. It's not the most impact-resistant toolbox for heavy-duty construction environments, and extreme off-road users may prefer thicker steel or chain-mounted boxes. Overall, its strength is in convenience and integration with modern truck setups, low profile, organized, and thoughtfully laid out for daily use.
List number 3. 18-inch steel underbody truck toolbox with T-handle lock latch. Underbody toolboxes are about maximizing bed space while keeping tools protected and out of sight. The 18th-inch steel underbody toolbox with T-handle lock latch is a prime example. Designed to mount along the truck frame or under the bed, this 18th-inch unit is compact but deep, providing substantial storage for wrenches, breakers, and smaller power tools without sacrificing cargo area. Constructed from welded steel, it emphasizes security and impact resistance, important if you haul on rough roads or park in unsecured areas. The standout feature is the T-handle lock latch, a recessed keyed mechanism that offers a positive lock and resists tampering. The lid is typically reinforced to prevent prying, and a continuous gasket protects against dust and water ingress. Internally, the box prioritizes a straightforward storage cavity, which is excellent for bulky items, but may require auxiliary organizers for small parts. Installation is generally universal. Brackets or U-bolts secure the box to the frame, and access from the side of the truck is convenient for roadside repairs. The pros are solid security, stealthy mounting, and protection from weather and theft. Downsides include limited internal organization and the need to plan mounts carefully to avoid interference with fuel tanks or brake lines. Additionally,
List number 4. Buyers Products 1703100 Steel Underbody Truck Box. Buyers Products has a reputation for heavy-duty fleet components, and the 1703100 Steel Underbody Truck Box continues that practical, no-nonsense tradition. Built for long-term service, this underbody box is designed to withstand the harsh conditions of daily commercial use. Thick steel construction, reinforced seams, and industrial-grade locking hardware make it a dependable workhorse. Its underbed placement keeps tools hidden from view and reduces the risk of theft, while providing easy access for maintenance crews and technicians. The 1703100 focuses on security and durability rather than bells and whistles. The lid mechanism employs a secure latch with a keyed cylinder and is engineered to resist prying. Weather protection is substantial with precision-formed lids and a compressive gasket. Buyers Products pays attention to water shedding and debris exclusion. Internally, the box offers a large, unobstructed cavity for stowing pneumatic tools, jacks, and diagnostic equipment, ideal for fleet vehicles that need a centralized tool repository. Mounting hardware and templates provided by the manufacturer simplify installation and ensure a snug fit to the frame. This model is particularly attractive to fleet managers and professional tradespeople who value longevity and low life cycle costs. The trade-offs are predictable. List number 5. DZ-95D Steel Wheel Well Toolbox with Drawer. The DZ-95D Wheel Well Toolbox with Drawer is a clever wheel well solution for truck owners seeking organized storage without losing bed length. Contoured to fit snugly over the wheel well, this toolbox uses otherwise awkward space to provide a lockable compartment plus a slide-out drawer, a combination that dramatically improves access to small tools, fasteners, and frequently used items. DZ is known for its fit and finish, and this unit shows that attention to detail in its formed steel panels and clean powder coat finish. Construction is robust. Stamped and welded steel, reinforced drawer slides, and a secure locking system give confidence on work sites and during travel. The drawer is the distinguishing feature. It keeps small tools and consumables from rolling around and provides a quick access tray that's easier to manage than a deep chest. The box typically includes internal partitions or accessory rails for customizing layout, which is handy for people carrying mixed gear. Weather sealing around the lid and drawer prevents water intrusion, and the compact form factor maintains most of the bed's usable length for longer loads. On the downside, wheel well boxes reduce some lateral space in the bed, so if you frequently load wide items, you'll want to measure carefully. The DZ-95D's steel weight is also higher than aluminum counterparts, and the drawer adds mechanical complexity that could need occasional maintenance. In summary,